256 raised to the power of 1 upon x is equal to x. Find the value of x. Can you solve it? Pause the video and let me know your answer in the comment section. So, in the left hand side we have a number and the exponent is a variable, while in the right hand side the base is a variable. So, we need to keep variables one side and numbers to one side. So, to remove the variable in the exponent in the left hand side, we raise it to the power of x. So, 256 1 upon raised to the power of 1 upon x, then whole raised to the power of x. Now, when we do this action in the left hand side, we will have to do it on the right hand side also to maintain the balance. So, x is also raised to the power of x. Now, this x and this x gets cancelled. Now, we have 256 is equal to x raised to the power of x. Now, 256, this we can also write it as 4 raised to the power 4 is equal to x raised to the power x. Now, there is a rule, if a is raised to the power a is equal to b raised to the power b, in that case a is equal to b. So, here the 4 raised to the power 4 and x is raised to the power x, that means x is equal to 4. We can verify this answer. 256 raised to the power of 1 upon x is 1 upon 4 is equal to 4. You have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS. 256 we can write it as 4 raised to the power 4, then whole raised to the power 1 upon 4. Now this is 4 raised to the power 4 times 1 upon 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. LHS is equal to RHS. Answer is verified.